How to change voice to male on Google Translate. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can change voice to male on Google Translate. So the first thing to do is to launch the application. And as we all know, whenever you translate a text on Google Translate, it should be said out in a female's voice, all right, automatically. That is the settings on Google Translate. So to change it, now after launching the app, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, amongst the options displayed, you can see settings, right? So just select settings. After selecting settings, you can see different options like tap to translate, data usage, keyboard, region, speed, speech input, etc. So by clicking on the speech inputs, you can see the options being displayed here. And also for for region, you would see the different languages in their region and how they are spoken, but you would not see the option for you to change the voice to male. This is because it is not possible. This feature has not yet been added to Google Translate, so I'm very sorry that I cannot show you a vivid description. That is because it is not the feature has not been added to Google Translate by Google developers. So the other option, if you want a male voice to translate your language or the speech that you've written, is by making use of that application. And an application I recommend is Natural Readers. All right, so you can just go to your Play Store like I have done here, and then in the search box you can just type out Natural Reader. It's another application where you can see where there are male speakers, and you can also, yeah, male voice. You can switch from females to male. You can make use, you can also have access to different languages. So but for Google Translate it is not possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.